first of all, welcome to Outlook Speak Out and congratulations on the Outlook Speak Out trophies that you have just got. Archita has been a wonderful part of Femina Miss India. So, gote national level ro contest rahiba, Kolkata you have won the runner-up position. Tapore you have acted in the movie called The Light, जोटा कि 18 भाषारे से फिल्म टी को तैयारी करा जायतला एवं गुजरात रो मेकर्स थिले. So you could have taken that forward.
I always believe I did my schooling from Bhubaneswar. I did my engineering MBA from Bhubaneswar,
Right.
and I really don't believe in the term brain drain. So if I have learned so many things from Odisha, from the soil of Odisha, and I'm getting so much of love from the people of Odisha, there is no point in going outside and working for something else.
Same question to you. How would you reimagine Odisha?
Odisha re jetike natural resources achi, film industry re jetike talent achi, it's just that कि सेटा को भल से यूटिलाइज हो पारु नाही. So with time I just wish कि ए समस्त भल प्लेटफॉर्म मिलिबो, भल सपोर्ट मिलिबो, so that together we will grow. We will not just grow as a person, but economy पाई की state रो economy पाई की भी हमें शामिल हो पारिबा.
Alright, Odisha re ete that you said natural resource amar achi. Odisha re ete bhalo jaga thau, why are we moving to other states or other countries to film a movie? So what would you say? Baharu ko jiba important or baharu ko jiba no jiba, it doesn't matter.
I think एटा opposite ओडिशा क्षेत्र रे कना ओडिशा रे आज दिन आज पर्यंत प्राय सब सिनेमा ओडिशा रे शूटिंग हुए. हाँ एमिति किछि जगह रही जोटा एक्सप्लोर करा ही पानी, लेट्स से वेस्टर्न ओडिशा साइड रे रादर खुशी हबा कथा जे लोक माने जो माने फॉरेन लोकेशन देखा चाहती ओडिशा रो फिल्म रे रादर टाइम हैज कम जे आमे आज दिन रे दुबई रे शूट करूछु, थाईलैंड रे शूट करूछु, बाहर को जाउछु, बहुत गुडे फिल्म्स इवन कश्मीर रे केबे होनतला कश्मीर को जाई की शूटिंग करूछु. सो आई थिंक दैट इज अ पॉजिटिव थिंग बिकॉज यू सी लॉट ऑफ फ्रेश थिंग्स इन ओडिया फिल्म्स. सो दैट इज समथिंग वी शुड वेलकम.
Kishin you want to shoot at next Odisha ho bahare ho किछि जगह
मु कश्मीर केबे कोनी ओडिसा रे बहुत कम फिल्म कश्मीर हेछि, बट आई रियली वांट टू गो टू कश्मीर एंड एक्सप्लोर द लोकेशन.
They want to be a part of the industry, but they are youngsters, they look up to you. They want to be as confident as you, as strong mentally as you. They want to be as versatile as you in their lives, any character. So what would be your message to them through Outlook?
Just one line I'll say, there is no substitute of hard work. So just keep working hard. And dinno thila jetebole when I used to share some women centric film ideas with anyone, people used to say, okay, the content is good, but it don't reflect in box office.
Acha.
And that's when I put my best step forward to work on those ideas.
Alright.
So I'll be working on those ideas in future, and I'll just need everyone's support. Thanks.
Okay, so kind of जोठी हमको लागे कि रास्ता बंद हो जाउछि, जदि सेठु हमें निजे रास्ता तैयारी करिवा स्टार्ट करिवा, maybe we will reach to a certain point where people will agree to us and maybe they will start following us. Okay. Outlook, we are so happy to have you both. You shared your feelings, your messages are sent to the proper people through the proper.
এই ভিডিওର part 1 ଭିଡ଼ିଓର ଲିଙ୍କ୍ description box ରେ ଦିଆ ଯାଇଛି. ଲାଇକ୍, शेयर ଆଉ subscribe କରିବାକୁ ଭୁଲିବେନି.